Hello everybody. Brian here for quantlabs.net. Today in this next video, going to show you here December 28th, almost 4 o'clock my time, East Standard Time. So I'm going to show you some of the coins that have been performing pretty good. This is from Binance to show you how you could use this sort of thing to help you on your trading setups. In my case with MotiveWave, and let the my strategy trade those coins within MotiveWave. So what we got here is we've got 66 coins. This can change every time I generate this file. It's an Excel file. What it will do is it will generate it and give you a very long-term synopsis on what coins you could trade based upon a couple of things. If you want trend or momentum, you can use this to help you determine what trading setups you want. Or you can also use the standard deviation to just trade coins that perform with lower volatility. So there's various ways to do that. So in here we've got all these different metrics. The one I pay attention to can be this one right here. Volume, if that matters. Usually, depending upon the exchange you want, that can matter because you can have very quick drawdowns. With this one, with the standard deviation, this can matter as well. That's based upon volatility, basically. So the lower the number for standard deviation, the better. This one is built around momentum, so this is another determinant to measure trend. Another one is based upon slope. All this other statistical information you can use. You can see here we've got harmonic patterns that we can use. Some generate bullish, bearish as well. So you can use those. Those are usually generated for the last 24 hours. One thing I'm picking up is you want to focus or generate this after 7 p.m. as well, my time, Eastern Standard. So first thing we can do is let's work on the coins that have the lower volatility, and we use standard deviation. You can use Excel for this. I'm using LibreOffice. So it's not as sophisticated. So what we're focusing is column K here. So we just do our data sort. Usually I go descending, column K. Okay, I'm on a Linux system as well, as you know. Okay, so what this will do, this will pull up those coins that appear to have the lower volatility. And here they are. So right now, how do I know this works? Actually, you could do ascending, descending, doesn't matter. Anyways, with this one from column K, right here, you know this is working because you have a stable coin here, the USDT coin. And then, but here's the funny thing: people complain about the volatility of Ethereum and Bitcoin. You can see here these have lower volatility, less volatile. Same with XMR, Litecoin, Cardano, BNB, Tron, Stellar, Dash, Neo, Ethereum Classic. So these are more of the older coins that show less volatility. For people outside of the world of crypto, they won't get that. But yeah, so these are the lower volatile, less volatile coins. So when you get up into the more performing coins, right here, like the newer coins, TLM, Sun, Shiba, Alice, AXS, ENS, GRT, and so on. So there's a validity to this analysis. Now let's go back to measuring the coins that give you the better performing. Okay, so we're now comparing everything in these coins that get listed. These are the top coins, as I said, at the time when this is generated. So some coins are going to get missed out on, which is fine. But this will just give you a rough idea of what's performing at that time. So now we're going to focus on momentum. Okay, we're gonna sort on momentum. So data sort, that was column M. We'll say descending again. So here, based upon, oh, I'm sorry, wrong column, J. Yeah, you want column J, it looks like. Okay, so here we're going to focus on J. Right? That's the momentum. So right here, here you go. So these are the coins that are performing better, stronger momentum, just from a higher standpoint. So the question is, do you put more emphasis on these coins when they perform? Okay. So these include BNB, Ethereum, Bitcoin, XMR, Tron, Neo, Link, Ethereum Classic, Theta, Cardano, Waves, Qtum, Stellar, ZIL, and so on. Okay? So that's one way. Now, there's momentum, and then there's slope. So let's look at the slope here. So that's column M by the look of it. Okay. So I know it's fairly crude. You can automate this if you're an Excel expert. Obviously, I'm not. Column N. That's column N. Right here. So we're doing now slope. See how this works out. Okay. So again, these are similar right here. So these coins perform. Now, part of the question is, we have here Bitcoin, YFI, Bitcoin Cash, EGLD, BNB, Compound, Solano, AXS, XMR, AV, AVAX, Litecoin, Zcash, Dash, Dot, Filecoin, and so on. Okay, so in there, I'm not seeing Ant. Well, here's Ant right here. That's because of the recent explosive moves. The Gala, Sand. But again, a lot of the older coins, legacy coins, are the better performers long term. So knowing all that, these are tools that you can use to help you determine which coins and which setups you want to work with. What I would strongly recommend is if you start to look at coins with the negative slope. So again, we're looking at N. So from this point on, right here, these are the coins you want to avoid because they have negative slope. Okay, so these coins include ICP, ENS, DYDX, Sun, Cake, People, 1 inch, GRT, TLM, 4, BUSD. Now, out of that, for again, this is from Binance, but moving into Kraken for what you can trade with. Like for my example, I could trade DYDX. Probably don't want to pick that up. GRT is another one. 1 inch I could, but these are coins you just avoid because they don't have the positive slope that you want. So you have a higher probability that they will have negative potential for negative profit on those positions. So these are the ones you want to go with that have a stronger likelihood to give you profit. So again, these are just helpful tools to give you an idea of what to go with. All right, so we'll leave it at that. Hopefully my contact here is not up. So if you like it, what you see, go to quantlabs.net/contact and fill all your details out. We also have our new site called quant-labs on that as well, so you can get info there as well. Same thing. All right, so we'll leave it at that. Thanks for watching. I'm hoping this helps. Bye.